The game Caravan in Bethesda's Fallout New Vegas is a lot easier than it seems. Unfortunately, Bethesda didn't do a very good job of providing very good instructions in-game. So today I'm going to explain to you how to play. The goal of the game is simple: sell more caravans than the other person for a higher bid without busting. To do this, you want to get a bid between 21 and 26 by combining cards to add up to that amount. So let's begin with the cards. You have 2 through 10, which each have a value that is on their face, plus you have an ace, which is 1. Then you have what are called side cards. You have a jack, a queen, a king, and a joker. You begin the game by each player drawing 8 cards from his caravan deck. Once the cards are drawn, players take turns adding 1 card to each of the 3 competing caravans. Once that is done, the next player has 3 options. The player can play an additional card on one of his caravans. The player can discard a card and draw an additional card, or that player can disband a caravan and remove all cards from that existing caravan. Players take turns doing this until all caravans meet the goal to be sold, meaning that those caravans have a value that is at least 21 but no more than 26. Now let's see some examples. This side's caravan has values of 10, 21, and 6. The other side has values of 8, 26, and 13. As it stands, only the middle caravan has been sold, and it has been sold to the other player because they have reached 26. At this point, the match would be over because all 3 caravans have sold. The first one sold to this player, the second one sold to the other, and the third sold to the other, which means that that person would win, claiming 2 of the 3 caravans. But let's see what happens if that person had played a joker instead of a king. Because the joker was played on an 8, that means that all other 8s on the table would be removed. This would result in this player winning because that would bring his total to 21 of the 3rd caravan and would have reduced the amount of the other's caravan. And that's how you play Caravan. If you have any additional questions or I didn't explain something properly, please let me know in the comments.